Howdy, Mark Serbu, gun designer, gun nut. Just a quick video here looking at some high-speed footage of the classic M1 carbine. Got a couple pretty cool ones here. This one is an IBM. It's hard to see, but it's underneath the sight there. And this is a Rockola. Rockola is one of the rarest and one of the coolest, especially if you know about the old jukebox company. Apparently this was Korean, I don't know, spent some time in Korea, came back, don't know the history, but IBM, so that's cool. And anyway, I just wanted to look at these and see what the actions look like on high-speed video, and you get to see it too. First shot on the Rockola. Doing it from the side here, I didn't think about it too much. I kind of, phoned this one in. But I got smart in a minute, as you'll see. I slowed it down to half speed here, and yeah, again, not too much to see, but hey, what the hell. It's about 2,000 frames a second, I think. Now here I got smart, turned the gun sideways, and I upped the frame rate to about 5,000 frames a second. Now here I took the frame rate down to 1,500 frames a second, and the quality goes way up at that lower rate. And here you can start to see the unburned powder flakes coming back out of the chamber. Kind of amazing that anything can go unburned at all in that environment, huh? Any of you gunpowder smarty pants people know why that is? They're just little bits of powder that just aren't flammable? I mean, what the hell happens? I want to know. And now we're looking at the IBM, somewhere around 4,000 frames a second. And the IBM at, I think, 8,000 frames a second. And now here it is down to 1,500 frames a second. Well, there you go. Quicker than a Shinzo Abe video, but hopefully we'll be around a lot longer. Yes, I plan to do a video to tell what on earth happened to that video that was around for 2 days, got 1.2 million views, and instantly got throttled and demonetized. Great story. All right, thank you for watching. I appreciate you as always. Catch you next time.